the common treatment modalities that we take is are, CBT, which is cognitive behavior therapy, as well as exposure response prevention. These two are the major therapies that we do. In exposure response prevention, we try to kind of, expose the person to the anxiety that he's having, and then prevent the compulsions that or any other behavioral or mental acts that he's performing to reduce the anxiety. So we stop them from doing that. Then that is the component of the prevention. So there is exposure to anxiety and prevention of the safety behaviors, that is what you call them, right? So that is one. Then cognitive behavior. So this is the behavior part of the cognitive behavior therapy. The cognitive deals with the obsessions. So there we try to make them be aware of the kind of cognitive errors that the person is having. So we deal with that. Another one is mindfulness based CBT is also there. So mindfulness will give the kind of some kind of a non-judgmental acceptance of the anxiety that they are having. So with mindfulness, like, it has been really proved, like a lot of randomized control trials have taken place, which actually say that mindfulness is very, very beneficial for, disorders like anxiety disorders, OCD, and depression, and a lot of other disorders. Then another therapy that we can use is hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is very, very useful. Like a lot of people are very scared of hypnotherapy, and I think that is because of the different kind of presentations that are given by Bollywood and other social media. That if you hypnotize them, this is what will happen, and you will never be back and stuff like that. But it is actually a very, very very, very good therapy, and lot of modern clinicians are now using CBT with hypnotherapy, because it really helps to remove, like when we use CBT, then maybe some of the residual symptoms may remain. But with hypnotherapy, it straight away goes to the subconscious, and tries to uh, and see that from where this is coming, and then tries to the person himself understands that, okay, this is where this problem was coming in, and so this is how it can be fixed. So that's how. So these are the basic treatment modalities.